This whole entire business model, I just want to go over how simple it really is, okay? All we're doing is we're posting on free platforms, right? Our lead gen is actually free, it's organic. You know, nothing is paid or paid ads or PPC about how you generate leads as an apartment locator, right? The difference between the lead gen as a locator instead of the lead gen as a typical real estate agent is that when you post these ads, clients call you, and all you've got to do is naturally respond to their request because they're contacting you first, okay? As opposed to a cold call where you're reaching out to them, right? It's a lot more, it's like less comfortable that way. So once you get the lead, you know, literally this whole entire job as an apartment locator can be done from home as long as you have a laptop and Wi-Fi, okay? Because we're sending a list of 10 apartments digitally, and when your clients receive the emailed list, they tour the apartments by themselves, okay? And the apartment staff actually close them when they're on tour. So while you're at home, you've got the apartment complex closing your clients, right? And all you've got to do is follow up, right? You're following up for the next couple of days, and as soon as they close, you send over a bill to the apartment complex for $1,000 or $2,000 is the typical commissions that I see. So the point is, this is such a fantastic way to actually make an income, a full-time income with your real estate license, you know, as a new real estate agent, or if you're an existing real estate agent and you're just looking for easier work that you can actually do from home, right? So don't miss out on this brand new opportunity. If this sounds like a good fit, then I encourage you to join our program. That way I can hold your hand and guide you along this simple process on how to truly become successful with this type of work. And here's the best part, right? After we're making commissions with working our apartment rental clients, right? It's so much easier to actually represent them, you know, in case you do want to be a realtor for your pre-existing clientele, right? That's the exciting part, right? You can get started in real estate in a much simpler way, actually make a giant, you know, amount of full-time income, and then become a realtor if that's something that you want to do later in the future with a much higher success rate, right? So I encourage you to click the button below and join our program so that way we can get started and making you the next top producer in your local market.